Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Hyderabad Blues on cricket analysis. One of the viewers has noted down my mail ID goodluckprasad@gmail.com and he has sent a mail to me asking that why I have not uploaded a video with respect to third and fourth test. I did, sir. Please open my channel. But only thing is I have not spoken much. I did say that with respect to fourth test match, unless we win or draw the fourth test, we will not get qualified into the World Cup. Or if you see that video, I said very clearly that it is must win for India, or at least we should be able to draw. Surprisingly, now you have seen the result. Both the test matches, third and fourth test matches, they went in favor of India because of the domination from the spinners, especially Akshar Patel and Ravichandran Ashwin. Both have dominated. Fast bowlers, they have done reasonably well. Economically, they have bowled. Initially, they could restrict the England batting to score freely. After bringing them into some pressure, Akshar Patel and Ravichandran Ashwin could able to take their wickets at regular intervals. You must have seen these both test matches. We have played in a new ground, modified ground. Sardar Patel ground was modified to be one of the best stadiums in the world biggest stadium, and England was invited to play their test series in this new ground. There are 11 pitches I think they have made, out of which we could only expose 2 wickets so far. We are going to have 5 T20 matches in that ground. Result, whatever it may be, let us wait and see, because this is only 20 overs match. Both teams will have equal opportunity to dominate each other, and T20 always is an interesting format of the game, and I expect some viewers to watch this match, but after maintaining proper physical distancing. Now coming back to my comments about the fourth test match, India has fully dominated this test. Only one mistake England has done is, in Raposo video I spoke in Telugu saying that England has done a mistake by choosing to bat first. They should have allowed India to bat first and the match would be a little bit interesting. That's what I felt. But after losing the third test and finishing that test match in 2 days, still England has chosen to bat after winning the toss. I would say this victory is a victory by India in an abnormal way. Why I say abnormal? The behavior of the pitch is not only in favor of spinners, but it is abnormal also because of the experience side of India with the spin attack. Definitely has dominated England, and experienced batsmen also from England side. They have failed to face our bowlers in those conditions. I don't say England is a bad team. England, they have played well in Sri Lanka and then came to India. I can't underestimate them. If it is a normal match and both sides have batted well and we have scored those runs and they have chased our runs, if you see a normal test match or ODI or T20, there will be some competition will be there, and viewers will be always on edge of their seats to know what is going to happen the next delivery, or maybe next batsman how he is going to score a century, 50, like that. But nothing those things happened in this third and fourth test. India has completely dominated with their spin attack, and that too they are playing in our Indian conditions. So the pitch behavior is little abnormal, I can say. Professionally, if you think about the conditions of the pitch, this is my personal comment, sir. Pitch has become abnormally. They are not less experienced players on England side with respect to batting is concerned. Even our Indian so-called main players also, they have failed against their bowling attack. But when we choose our players with some kind of purpose, like Washington Sundar, his job is to bowl spin bowling, but surprisingly he has shown his performance on batting side. Another Akshar Patel, he was selected to be as a batsman first, maybe all-rounder capacity because he has got the ability to spin the ball, but surprisingly he has bowled extremely well in both test matches. He has played only so far only 2 test matches, and you have seen his performance. That means bowlers have bowled beyond our expectations. Pitch has surprised batsmen of both teams beyond expectations, and result also we got in third and fourth test match beyond our expectations. All these things I am taking into consideration, and the pitch condition. That's the reason I am saying pitch has behaved abnormally. This fact they need to look into it. Better pitch is to be made. I'm not saying they are bad batsmen or we are too good bowlers, but anyway, the test match format, the test match kind of pitch was not prepared as per my view. These pitches, the way they are prepared, more suitable for ODI. That's what my comment. Test match pitch means it should allow the both sides to play their game naturally with some expectations to play well with proper field setup, and pressure should build up on the both sides whenever they get the opportunity to put the pressure. Those things have not happened in this both test matches, third and fourth. That's the reason pitch has behaved abnormally. It has favored the spin attack than the fast bowling. Whenever the ball is new, reasonably it has done well, but gradually when the ball was becoming old, when spin attack was on and the pitch started supporting the spinners, and batsmen have completely failed to read our bowlers and they lost their wickets. I'm not saying only England, but India also, they are not batted so well to think about the test match. With this comment, Ahmedabad, the new pitch, will surprise again. Let us see. In 5 ODI T20s are there, how the pitch is going to behave and what will be our team combination. I have made my team combination. I will upload my video once again. But with this comment, I am signing off, sir. I am getting mails from my viewers. I think I have answered their questions. The pitch has behaved abnormally as per me, whatever the expert says there. But I believe that test match pitch conditions were not there in that ground. That's the reason India could completely dominate England in our home conditions. Thank you so much. Mail me on goodluckprasad@gmail.com. Subscribe my channel Hyderabad Blues on Cricket Analysis. Namaskar, I am signing off.